Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is Mwalimu Bafaki, and today, guess what? How to make 100,000 profit per day from a retailing grocery business. This is Mwalimu Bafaki, and if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, kindly make it a point to hit the subscribe button down there so that you're not missing out any other business tips whenever I upload. Now, this tip, in most cases, people do not share it because people, they always tend to be selfish. They cannot share with you on the profit margin they make per day, and again they cannot share how they make it. But me, I'll share it with you. Kindly make it a point to hit the subscribe button so that you're not missing out any other video whenever I upload. Now, with the retailing grocery business, this is how you can make money, harvest money from this very business. First and foremost, I must remind you that with this business, it is a non-risk business because it's a food business. People always want food. People eat every day. Unlike other businesses like, people for businesses for clothes, shoes, among others, people eat every day. Even you watching this video, I am very sure that you eat not even once a day, meaning that it is a non-risk business. Now, this is how you're going to make money. First and foremost, I'm going to basically put much emphasis on retailing. Now, I want to first put a disclaimer to this business. To whoever think that you will join this business to make a profit margin that is too excessive, too huge, that's a no for you. Because with this business, you must retail each and every item when you're getting the profit margin you can get, it is 200, only 200 Ugandan shilling. Now, it means if you work for more than that, you're joining other shop keepers, you're joining other people. You're not basically here to make money. So we're going to base on 200 profit margin and 100 profit margin. But now, I want to assure you that when you're aiming at this profit margin, in one day you can retail items. For example, rice. You can even sell about 5 to 6, even 10 sacks. 10 sacks of rice. Now, meaning when you're working for only 100 to 200, imagine in one day you have sold 10 sacks of rice. It means you have even some other helpers helping you to do this because it is very tiresome. You cannot do it alone. Now, you've sold 10 sacks, that's 500 kilograms of rice, only one item. Meaning, if you've been working for 100, then it means that is 50,000 shilling. If you've been working for 200, that means that is 100,000 profit. But of course, now let's make it very simple for you. Now, you've sold about 5 sacks of rice. Then you will sell about 50 kilograms of beans. Then you will sell about 10 kilograms of peanuts. Then you will sell about 50 to 100 kgs of posho, that is maize flour. Then you sell about 10 kilograms of millet flour. Then talk of soya flour, about 25. Meaning, on each and every item you're selling, you have a profit margin of either 200 or 100,000. Now, this is what we do daily. Now, on the retailing department, I can assure you, you can even sell more than 5 sacks, more than 5 bags, and each sack or each bag has got 50 kilograms. Meaning, now when you get 5 sacks times 50, that's about 200. That's 250 kgs. Now times 200, that's 50,000. You get my point. Now, plus the other profit you're getting from maize flour. You have sold about 100 kgs, and each kilogram you're getting a profit margin of 200. It means that is 20,000, plus on the other initial revenue from rice, that is 70,000. Now plus the 50 kgs you have sold on all the beans, yellow, green, red, white, nambali, masavu. I'm assuming that you have sold a combined, you know, combined kilograms, combined weight, combined, you have sold 50 kilograms, and each kilo you've been getting a profit margin of 200. That's 10,000, plus the other initial revenue, that's 80,000. Now you're remaining with 20,000. Now there are these other items, of course, I'm forgetting. Then talk of peanuts, then talk of soya, then talk of rice porridge, among others. So in one day, when you have a serious retailing food business, you can make 100,000 profit per day. This is what we can achieve. This is what I have been getting from the retailing department. I'm assuming that you do not even wholesale, you're doing that. But of course, when you have a store business or a grocery business, you have these other small items you're selling on wholesale. For example, 10 kgs of maize, 10 kgs of rice. So you have about profit margin of 2,000, 1,000. So when you add that, you sum it up, you find you're getting about 100,000. Meaning, in a month, which has 30 days, you're getting at least 3 million from retailing grocery business. Meaning you'll be a very contented self-employed boss. You won't look for a job when you're earning 3 million and plus. I don't know if this video has been so important to you, and maybe it has opened your eyes. Kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel at Mwalimu Bafaki, so that you're not missing out any other business tip whenever I upload. See you, may God bless you.